single fatha, single kasra, and single zamma, you was finish it. Okay. Now
Yes.
here in this lesson, you need to read double fatha, double kasra, and double zamma is called tanween. Okay.
Okay.
Definition of tanween: double fatha, double kasra, and double zamma is called tanween. Okay. In this lesson, practice to do ikhfa. What is
Um,
ikhfa? So in here, definition of ikhfa: hiding the voice of meme or noon. ये क्या लिखा हुआ?
hiding the voice of meme or noon.
Start read
Par-
yourself.
Partic particularly in the noise is called
Ikhfa.
kafa.
Like that's mean I I tell you. That's mean like noon and meme voice like going to your nose like 1 second. That's called ikhfa. Like meme double fatha man like this voice called is ikhfa. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
That's the name.
Whenever tanween is followed by throatal letters, don't do ikhfa. So we do it here like meme double. First you must finish it single fatha, single kasra, and single zamma. And in here you need to focus on what is definition of ikhfa, ikhfa definition, and tanween. What we call tanween, like double fatha, double kasra, and double zamma we call tanween. Okay. So we
Mm-hmm.
do lesson meme double fatha man,
Okay.
meme kasra, min, meme double zamma mun. Then you need to say just sound like man, min, mun.
Oh, I understand now. I
Okay.
understand now.
Ba double fatha ban, ba double kasra bin, ba double zamma bun. Like we need to do ban, bin, bun. First read letter, then read sound. Okay. You need to focus on it. Ba double fatha one, ba double kasra win, ba double zamma one. So we need to do one, win, one. Okay, do you understand or not?
I understand.
Tomorrow I will listen to you this one
Okay.
if you understand.
Tomorrow or right now?
One time try it right now. One in two
Try
letters.
try the
Now
whole thing. Try the whole thing.
here. Start from here.
Meme double fata meme double fata man. Meme double kasra mean. Meme double zama moon.
Mun,
Man
mun.
moon.
How you to say?
Man moon man mean moon
Mun.
moon.
Yes.
Ba double fata ba double fata ban. Ba double kasra ba bin. Ba double zuma boom boom
How you?
ban boon. I mean
No.
ban bin boon.
Next.
Da Vow double fata. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thou vow double fata. One. Vow double kasra. Win. Thou vow double zama. Woon. One. One. Win. Woon.
Next.
Fa double fata. Fun. Fa double kasra. Fin. Fa double zama. Fun. Fun. Fin. Fun.
Okay. Next.
Sa
Well done.
double
Well done. Well done.
Sa double fata. Sa double fata. San. Sa double kasra. Sin.
Then stay
Sa
there.
sa double zuma. Soon. San. Soon.
Zan, no, it's zan. Sun, zan.
Zun. Zoon. Zeen.
Oh,
Huh?
middle one.
What do you mean middle? Oh. Uh. Uh. Z-
Sun.
Zun. Zin.
Uh,
Zoon.
next.
Ba. Ba double fatha. Ban. Ba double kasra. Bean. Ba double zama. Boon.
How are you two? How are you together?
Bun. Bean. Boon.
Next.
That one's raw. This right?
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
That one's raw. Raw
Run it.
double. Raw
Hey,
double.
you left too slow.
Raw double fatha. Run. Raw double kasra. Reen. Raw double zama.
Okay, just
Roon. Run.
not raw. It's za.
Zan. Zin.
Not this.
Zoon.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Momo, inshallah.